We may now begin the game phase. The game deck consists of encounters, escape tokens, and support kits. Before the round starts, all of these cards need to be shuffled into one deck. Once that is completed, every player will take a turn to draw from the game deck. However, before drawing, all players have 3 actions they can perform. 1. Give away cards to other players. This includes support kits, found in the deck, supply cards, or sample cards. 2. Use your special abilities. Each character has their own special ability, which must be used before drawing a card on your turn. For example, the Tactician's ability, Ammunition, allows you to retrieve 6 supply cards from the discard pile and give them to anyone you choose. 3. Use a support kit. Support kits are crucial because everyone has limited supply cards, and replenishing them is vital. If a player has no actions they wish to take on their turn, they may draw a card from the game deck. Here's an overview of the possible draws from the game deck. 1. Encounters. These are challenges that require the group to work together. When the leader of a turn draws an encounter card, they must reveal the card to everyone and follow the instructions on the card to choose participants. An example of this would be the Swarm, which requires the leader of that turn to choose 3 participants, including or excluding the leader, to participate. Each chosen participant will place either a supply to help or a sample to sabotage, facing down. The leader will then take all the cards and shuffle it up, revealing it one by one. If all the cards are supply, the encounter is successful. However, if one or more of the cards are samples, the encounter is unsuccessful and results in an infestation to occur. If 3 infestations occur, the survivors are overwhelmed and the carriers win. If 5 encounters are successful, the survivors will be granted an immunoagent card, which allows for survivors to win, even if one carrier is voted as an escapee during a vote phase. Encounters are split into human and zombie types. Human encounters can be skipped by the leader. Zombie encounters cannot be skipped. Additionally, do note that the player who draws from the deck becomes the active leader for that turn. 2. Support cards. These are the only cards you can keep in your hand. You can use them during your turn or in reaction to specific events, such as when someone tries to learn your secret role. 3. Escape tokens. Players need to collect at least 3 escape tokens. When a player finds one, they reveal it immediately. Once 3 tokens are collected, the player who found the 3rd one triggers a vote phase. They choose 3 players to escape. For the survivors to win, these chosen players must include the cure finder, but no carriers. The entire group then votes on the chosen escapees. If a majority agrees, all chosen players reveal their secret roles. If there were only survivors and the cure finder, the survivor wins the round. If any carrier was voted in, the carriers win the round. Lastly, at any point between resolving an encounter and the next player drawing a card, a carrier can reveal their secret role and eliminate any player of their choice. If the carrier eliminates the cure finder, the carriers win the round. However, if the carrier eliminates a survivor, both the carrier and the eliminated survivor are out for that round. Now that you've mastered the world of carriers, why not put your knowledge to the test and see how you fare in a few rounds.